Did you know that lentils are one of the oldest cultivated crops in the world? They're nutritious, versatile and incredibly delicious. Welcome to the channel. Today we're turning them into something a little different but very comforting. Lentil stuffed leek leaves with stewed potatoes. We start with the potatoes and lentils, cook them until they soften and then drain them. Meanwhile, slice the leeks lentil-wise to separate whole leaves, using the larger outer ones. Blanch the leaves for about 2 minutes in boiling salted water, just until they soften enough to roll easily. Then let them cool. In pan, saute the onion in oil until translucent. Add grated carrot and the remaining leek and cook for a few more minutes. Then stir in herbs, spices, cooked lentils, tomato paste and splash of vinegar, just enough to bring all the flavors together. Next, prepare the tomato sauce. Gently saute sugar and oil, add tomato paste, pour in water and season with the salt. Simple but full of flavor. Now comes the most satisfying part, assembling the stuffed leek leaves. Place the filling on one end of leaf and roll it into a triangle shape. It's really easy. Arrange them in a baking dish, pour over the tomato sauce, cover with foil and bake at 200 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 40 minutes. As they bake, the raw ingredients transform into a soft, fragrant dish. While the leeks are in the oven, prepare the stewed potatoes. Saute onion in oil until translucent. Peel and grate the potatoes, then add them to the pan. Heat vegetable stock separately and pour it over the potatoes. Cook for a few minutes and they're ready to serve. Finally, bring everything together on the plate. Tender stuffed leek leaves, rich tomato sauce and comforting potatoes. A meal that's nutritious, high in fiber, rich in plant-based protein and full of flavor. Dinner that are healthy, satisfying and easy to make. If you enjoyed this recipe, leave a comment and tell me what your favorite stuffed vegetable is. And don't forget to check out another one of my cooking videos from playlist. See you soon. Until then, enjoy your meal.